Hello and welcome to the video. In this video it's a very quick tip about Fat Shark goggles, and it's something that's just caught me out this morning and had me scratching my head. Now, I am a fan of Fat Shark goggles. I really like them. I have quite a few sets, and these are my HDOs that have become my firm favourite. They're quite expensive. They're the flagship model from Fat Shark, but the OLED image in the display is absolutely beautiful. In fact, I am planning to do an update video on this thing in a couple of weeks because I've been using it now for quite a few months, and some other things have kind of come out of the woodwork as I've been using them, and I kind of want to share the experiences now the initial flurry of all the reviews have died down of what it's actually like to live with these things day to day. But the reason for this video is because I've just tried to use them and had a little bit of a problem. Now let me just power them up and show you what's happening. So I'll plug a battery in. Nothing on the receiver. It's obviously powered. We've got the DVR running, and in the display we just have a black screen. Now, I actually have plugged in lots of different modules into these goggles because these have the higher power outputs. Things like the Immersion RC Rapid Fire have been popped in these. I had this module in and out a load of times. You can hopefully maybe even see the little cracks in the plastic from the amount of times it's been in and out. And I thought, you know what? They've given up the ghost. It's time for me to test the legendary Fat Shark warranty and put a claim in and send these back and have them sorted out. And the reason that I knew it was the goggles is I actually removed the module. I got one of the old modules and plugged it in, see if I could get any image at all. I couldn't get anything. There was nothing. I even checked the voltage out on the pins in the bay, and there was no 5 volts to power the module. So my suspicion was that the 5 volt regulator inside these things, which is beefier to support things like the Rapid Fire, had unfortunately gone bang. But it wasn't. There is no need for me to box this up. There's no need for me to send it back to Fat Shark. There's no need for me to carry on swearing and shouting at them. What it is this little thing here. I caught it. This turns the receiver on and off. That's the off position. That's the on position. And in the on position, if I now plug that battery back in, we have power. And we have the snow on the screen to show that it's ready to go. Now, this is actually covered in the troubleshooting guide on the Fat Shark website that I opened to have a quick look at, just to check what I needed to have done before I sent these back for a warranty return. And moving them, playing these around, it's very easy to catch that switch. So I just wanted to make this video. If you're in a situation where your Fat Sharks are not powering up, you have a black screen, there's no power to your module, just turn them over and make sure you haven't done what I did, which is catch that switch and turn your receiver off. If you found that video useful or like the content, then please hit the like and subscribe button down below. If you want to go the extra step, you can become a Patreon of the Painless 360 channel and help provide support for what I do here. All the videos created here are put into playlists, so if you're interested in a particular topic, have a look at the playlist, and they all are organised in there to make them easier to use. If you're not sure if there's a video for your particular problem or topic you want to know more about, then add Painless 360 to the Google search term that you're interested in, and that should find the video, article or content about the particular thing that you're interested in having a look at.